It's a video.
This is the video. My husband is putting the backing on my deer head here. There's an electric staple gun.
Pneumatic.
Oh, pneumatic staple gun, excuse me. And I'm going to be hanging this up in our front room. We're watching American Pickers as we do this. So we've put the backing board. We've bought that board with the kit. And actually, this kit, was the quilted fish. The quiltedfish.com, and we've looked it up, and it's no longer, the store is no longer in business. So for those people who have asked, you know, where the kit is, I don't know where it is.
It's gone.
It's gone because this came, and it was a 2014 pattern. So we tried to get in touch. Somebody asked us for information, and it's gone. But it came with this board here. We actually had put the horns on. They were kindly supplied to us, to Jen and I, by a viewer of ours, Jackie. And now my husband is going to be hanging this up. It's all very well and good trying to make something, but we want to hang it up. We are using, in my family room, we're using our generator. Is that a generator?
That is a compressor.
A compressor. My husband's been working outside. Say hello.
Hello.
That's my husband, Ian, and he's helping me to hang up this deer head.
We're going to get a special fixing eye.
Oh.
And then we can just have it up as it is instead of on a plaque.
Yeah, it was shown. It was shown on this board. This came with it. So I was wondering how Jen's going to do it, because will it be top heavy?
No, not the way I do it.
Okay, so we're going to go in the front room and do this. So we'll be back. Okay, so here we are in our front room. My husband is getting ready to hang my deer. Thank you, dear.
It's okay, dear.
And it's going in my front room, which is all, okay, watch the horns, which is all lovely in creams and tans. You've seen this before. And what's he gonna do? Okay, it's gonna go right there. Okay. It's so good to have a handy husband, let me tell you. Oh, there you go, but like, oh, there you go. Oh, look. Super. Oh, I love it. Straighten it out. Yeah. Fantastic. We staple gunned the plaque that actually came with it. If you refer back to the other picture, we stapled gunned the fabric around the base of the neck of this plaque here. And then my husband put a bracket on it. Oh, look at it. Now, somebody said to put some eyes on it. What do you think, Ian?
Yeah, maybe, but they've got to be perfect.
Yeah, I know.
Otherwise, it'll be strange.
I know, or like googly eye or something. I don't know. I think I just like, it's more like a silhouette there. Like, what do you think?
Or get some artist.
I don't
Do
know.
you know an artist in the family?
I don't know.
Get some artist to just do some shadowy.
Oh, I know. I don't know. I don't know.
Pencil.
I love it.
Pencil marks or something.
And someone said, oh, it has a very long neck. What? Do deer have long necks?
Yeah.
Yeah, deer have long necks. So there you go. So there is my... Yeah, there's my deer head up in my front room. And I chose this, obviously, as you can tell, I have all sorts of soft furnishings in my front room here. And so my deer goes really, really well in my front room here. Oh, I'm so pleased. So yeah, I'm a minimalist. Can you tell? I don't like a lot of things. I don't like a lot of clutter. Clutter gives me a bit of agita. So I just have, you know, one or two things. I don't understand people who have clutter. I have this book, Let Go of Clutter. I mean, look, I mean, seriously, just let go of clutter because it's ridiculous. It's, you know, people who have that, I don't know. People have lots of stuff. Something's wrong. Something's wrong with them. So, I'm a minimalist here, as you can tell. Don't like lots of stuff. and my deer head makes its debut, and I'm thrilled about that. Absolutely thrilled. What a fun project. I wonder if Jen has hung hers up yet. Yeah, gotta see if Jen has hung hers up. But I'm gonna put this up. Yeah. This is some stuff that we have. Just a few things. I was in a needlecraft stage of my life. I did every kind of needlecraft. Counted cross stitch and candle wicking, embroidery, all sorts of stuff. And stuffed deer head to cap off. It almost matches my wallpaper. Did I do that on purpose? Not really. But really, really pleased. Let's pull back and see my deer in all of its glory. Yeah. Yeah, oops, there I am. Let's see. Oh, it looks lovely. Thank you, Ian. Thank you, my boys, for helping me do that. Awesome. Looks right at home. Every room needs a stuffed deer. All the more so when you make it yourself. All right, folks. Thanks. See ya.